So this is our first video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a demo of a grid which we'll use later on to create a responsive web page. So let's start by using Emmet to create an HTML basic structure. So here, let's name this grid tutorial. Okay, what I have done is, as usual, I created an HTML file, then a folder, CSS, containing a style which is empty right now. So let's divide that to see here. So on the left you have the HTML as usual, on the right the CSS as usual, and here you'll see the result. Since we're going to create a responsive web page, we need this line here. So we're going to add it. The viewport is very important. The viewport is what you see. So here's the viewport. Okay. Now let's use semantic elements. That's what we have been doing as much as possible. So let's create a section and 6 divs. Again, using Emmet, Control Alt Enter, and there you have them. Well, you don't see anything here because there is nothing in them. So let's just add some numbers here, and you see. Okay. Now let's create some classes for the sections and the divs. And so let's say class wrapper. You could call it container as well, but let's call it wrapper. So say D1 for this, and so on. Now remember, you can have several pointers here by pressing Control. So that would make it faster. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now we can start using our CSS. So dot wrapper to target the first class. So what are we going to do here? But before we can see anything, we have to link our CSS to our HTML. So that's a folder, and that's the name, style grid. Okay, now the changes you apply here, you will be able to see here. So let's change the font family to cursive, and there you go. Okay. Okay. Change the color to white, the font, so it will disappear, the background. There it is. Okay. Now let's target each individual class. So D1, let's just use Control D to make copies of this and change here 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And let's add some colors to the background so that we can see the difference. So background color, let's use, I don't know, light green. Background color again. Okay. colors that look good with each other. Okay. Okay. So what's going on here? Then we will add some columns here, but not with auto template columns. Okay. So let's see. Let's say 200 pixels. The first one. Second one. 50. And the third one. 100 pixels. Okay. So you can see the changes here. Very important, do not add commas here or it won't work. See? Okay. So create template rows. Okay. Let's say 50 pixels each. Okay, there we go. And now we can add individual values. So to the first one, let's say read column starts at 1 and ends at 3. Okay, so there you see the change. Okay, now what is this number? So we have first line 1, 2, 3. We're saying end here. 4. So if we change here to 4, it will automatically come here, and this one will go down here. See? Okay, 2. That's what it is. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3. Take the next one as well. Okay, now let's add some more properties here to the third one. So the same, grid, column, start. Let's say we start at 2, and grid, column, end, and we end at 4 as well.